Develop a deeper learning and engage every student with the new Economics for the Real World Nelson MindTap. Prepare students for success with personalised assessments. Cognero Assess is a test bank of chapter review and exam-style questions to create tailored formative and summative tests for your students. Map them to units and topics. Unlock the full potential of Economics for the Real World with our detailed teaching plan, which includes syllabus mapping and advice to teachers. Seamlessly navigate course content across units, empowering you to deliver structured lessons and maximise student engagement. Access a range of customisable worksheets to support teacher planning and assist students in exploring key economics concepts and ideas. And access worked solutions that support teachers in providing comprehensive feedback to students, identifying areas of improvement, and promoting deeper understanding of concepts. And Economics for the Real World Nelson MindTap comes with an eBook for both online and offline learning convenience. Get all of this and more with Economics for the Real World Nelson MindTap Units 1 and 2 and Units 3 and 4. Make an appointment with your Nelson Learning Consultant to see how Nelson MindTap can support you.